Hello everyone, I'm Scratch Specialist from Converse Logic Learns, and today we learn about how we can make a story using Scratch. The last video, you were a songwriter composing music in a concert, and now you are making a story. So let's get started with this. And if you haven't already, just load up into new project, and let's start. Let's go to events and have a startup sequence. When green flag clicked, we'll use that. So now we have our startup sequence. We need to choose a sprite. Say I want mine on this bear here. You name this guy Gampa the bear. I got this random, thought. But let's just name this bear Gampa. I don't know what that means. Hopefully it's not a curse word. So we'll go to when green flag clicked. And if we want this character to talk, then we need to go to looks, say hello. We can have it say anything. Introduce himself. So hi, I am Gampa the bear. Hi, I'm Gampa the bear. So let's not have the bear or our sprite talk to us. So we'll add another sprite. We'll probably have a crab. Perfect combination. We add a backdrop too, so choose a backdrop, this icon right next to sprite. We'll put it in a forest sensor, since this one's usually living in the jungle and this is near the water. So let's run it. Hi, I'm Gampa the bear. Let's have crab introduce himself too. So let's go to events, when green flag clicked, control. Since this is waiting 2 seconds, we'll put 2.5. Go to looks, put hi, I am Mr.Crab. Let's have the Mr. capitalized. And I like pinching people. It's not very nice of you, Mr. Crab. Anyways, let's start this. Hi, I'm Gampa the bear. Hi, I'm Mr. Crab, and I like pinching people. So if we want the bear to respond, we have to make it ourselves. So we'll go to control in the bears program. We'll put, since it took 4 seconds here, put probably 1 second here. And we'll put looks, put wanna be friends, put a question mark there. Hi, I'm Gampa the bear. Hi, I'm Mr. Crab. So sometimes you come across that. Don't worry, it's natural. It happens to everyone. Where they both talk at the same time. It looks like they're interrupting each other. So I'll probably put 4. Hi, I'm Gampa the bear. Hi, I'm Mr. So now I have to make this higher, so I'll probably put this to 4 seconds. Hi, I'm Gampa the bear. Hi, I'm Mr. Crab, and I like pinching people. Want to be friends? So it looked a little late, so I'll probably put this at 3. I'll go to Mr. Crab and form a response. Go to looks. I'll put sure. Sure. I have not had one. So, hi, I'm Gampa the bear. Hi, Mr. Crab. Want to be friends? Sure, I have not had one. Now, let's say at the beginning we want a song to play. We go to we'll go to sound, put play sound until done. We'll go to vents when green flag clicked. But if you wanted to play as they're talking, then we can go to looks and then, sound, start sound, and put any sound you want. I'll go to their music library, click this icon down below, choose a sound. I'll probably put something random. That's not a really good one. I'll probably put this one. Doesn't really make sense to it. That one doesn't really make sense to it either. Since we're in a forest, we really need something cool, like not really dubstep like. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for this. You can put clapping. I'll put clapping. Put code. You have to switch it to clapping. So and since the crab hasn't had a friend for a while or hasn't even had a friend, we can probably put something like a twist. So we've had 2.2.5 plus 2 is 5.5 plus 3 is 8.5 and then 10.5. So we can probably put this here, put 12.05 and put record to go out of this, choose a sound. And since we heard the crowd gasp, we'll put that there. Let's run it. So this is a little late, so I did my calculation wrong probably. So it's about 5 seconds behind, so I'll probably put like 6 seconds. And I forgot to switch it. Let's put it now. So it sounded like the bear wasn't really supposed to ask that, so. Hi, I'm Mr. Crabby. I like pinching people. Want to be friends? So that was perfect timing. Yeah, so hopefully you guys have had some fun doing this. Try to have a new wallpaper or backdrop come in and introduce some new players. And probably at the beginning of the story, have a big title and have the people start clapping. In the next episode, also show a solution and a really cool version of a story. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned.